and we really stick to what we define. We implement the standard in order to keep our speed. In PowerCo, we have the vision to produce the battery cells for generations to come. My biggest takeaway for today is our approach we took in implementing S/4HANA at PowerCo. We did that in a very short time frame and brought up the major modules we need for really starting the operations of PowerCo. SAP technology helps us really implementing our standardized factory approach. In order to produce that amount of cells that we're planning, we really need to have stable and standardized processes. And that's where also the value is. All of our factories rely on the same processes, on the same implementation of our software in order to make sure we have the same quality and the same output in all of our factories. We are sticking to our milestones in the implementation. That is crucial for moving forward. We are sticking to the standards, we are sticking to the processes we defined in order to really gain speed in implementation. Without that, we wouldn't be able to bring up our factories in such a short time frame.